Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, how many pairs of integers a, b are possible such that a squared minus b squared is equal to 288? So, a plus b into a minus b is equal to 288. Now 288 can be written as 2 to the power 5 into 3 squared. So it has 5 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 6 into 3, that is 18 factors. Or there are 9 ways of writing this number. As a product of two positive integers. Let us list these down. Is 1 into 288, 2 into 144, 3 into 96, 4 into 72, 6 into 48, 8 into 36, 9 into 32, 12 into 24, and 16 into 18. Now, if a, b are integers, either a plus b and a minus b have to be both odd, or a plus b and a minus b have to be both even. So within this set of possibilities, 1 into 288, 3 into 96, and 9 into 32 will not result in integer value of ab. So these don't work for us. So there are the other 6 set of numbers that work for us. Now let us consider 2 into 144. When a, b are natural numbers, so then a plus b greater than a minus b. So a plus b is equal to 144 and a minus b is equal to 2. From here we get a to be 73 and b to be 71. We can see that a is equal to 73, b is equal to minus 71 also holds good, and a is equal to minus 73 and b is equal to 71 works as well. And so does a is equal to minus 73, b is equal to minus 71 works as well. Thus, there are 4 possibilities for one set. So for total 6 sets, we have 6 into 4, that is 24 pairs that will satisfy our requirement. So 24 is the correct answer.